1 Chronicles chapter 4, verse 1 to 43. The sons of Judah, Pharez, Hezron, and Carmi, and Hur, and Shobal, and Rea the son of Shobal begot Jahath, and Jahath begot Ahumai and Lahad. These are the families of the Zorathites, and these were of the father of Etam, Jezreel, and Ishma, and Idbash, and the name of their sister was Hazelelponi, and Penuel the father of Geder, and Ezer the father of Husha. These are the sons of Hur, the firstborn of Ephrata, the father of Bethlehem. And Ashur the father of Tekoa had 2 wives, Helah and Nerah, and Nerah bare him Ahuzam, and Hepher, and Temeni, and Hahashtari. These were the sons of Nerah. And the sons of Helah were Zereth, and Jezor, and Ethnan. And Cuz begot Anub, and Zobeba, and the families of Aharhel, the son of Haram. And Jabez was more honorable than his brethren, and his mother called his name Jabez, saying, Because I bare him with sorrow. And Jabez called on the God of Israel, saying, O that thou wouldest bless me indeed, and enlarge my coast, and that thine hand might be with me, and that thou wouldest keep me from evil, that it may not grieve me. And God granted him that which he requested. And Caleb the brother of Shua begot Mehir, which was the father of Eshton, and Eshton begot Bethrapha, and Paseah, and Tehinnah the father of Ir-Nahash. These are the men of Rekah. And the sons of Kenaz, Othniel, and Sariah, and the sons of Othniel, Hathath, and Meonothai begot Ophrah, and Sariah begot Joab, the father of the valley of Karashim, for they were craftsmen. And the sons of Caleb the son of Jephunneh, Elah, and Nam, and the sons of Elah, even Kenaz, and the sons of Jehaleel, Ziph, and Ziphah, Tiria, and Asareel, and the sons of Ezra were Jether, and Meard, and Epher, and Jalon, and she bare Miriam, and Shammai, and Ishbah the father of Eshtemoa. And his wife Jehudiajah bare Jared the father of Geder, and Heber the father of Socho, and Jekuthiel the father of Zanoah. And these are the sons of Bethiah the daughter of Pharaoh, which Meard took, and the sons of his wife Hodiah the sister of Naam, the father of Keilah the Garmite, and Eshtemoa the Maacathite. And the sons of Shimon were Amnon, and Rina, Benhanan, and Tilon. And the sons of Ishi were Zohath, and Ben-Zohath. The sons of Shelah the son of Judah were the father of Leka, and Lada the father of Mershah. And the families of the house of them that wrought fine linen, of the house of Ashbi, and Joachim, and the men of Kozeba, and Josh, and Seraph, who had the dominion in Moab and Jeshubileam. And these are ancient things. These were the potters, and those that dwelt among plants and hedges. There they dwelt with the king for his work. The sons of Simeon were Nemuel, and Jamin, Jerib, Zerah, and Shaul, Shallum his son, Mibsam his son, Mishma his son. And the sons of Mishma, Hamuel his son, Zachar his son, Shimi his son. And Shimi had 16 sons and 6 daughters, but his brethren had not many children, neither did all their family multiply, like to the children of Judah. And they dwelt at Beersheba, and Malada, and Hazar-Shual, and at Bilhah, and at Ezem, and at Tolad, and at Bethuel, and at Hormah, and at Ziklag, and at Beth-Markaboth, and Hazar-Susim, and at Beth-Birai, and at Sharaim. These were their cities unto the reign of David, and their villages were Etam, and Ain, Rimmon, and Token, and Ashan, 5 cities, and all their villages that were round about the same cities, unto Baal. These were their habitations, and their genealogy, and Meshabab, and Jamlech, and Joshua the son of Amaziah, and Joel, and Jehu the son of Josibiah, the son of Sariah, the son of Aziel, and Elioenai, and Jacobah, and Jeshohaiah, and Asaiah, and Adiel, and Jezamiel, and Benaiah. And Ziza the son of Shurphai, the son of Alon, the son of Jediah, the son of Shimri, the son of Shemaiah. These mentioned by their names were princes in their families, and the house of their fathers increased greatly. And they went to the entrance of Geder, even unto the east side of the valley, to seek pasture for their flocks. And they found fat pasture and good, and the land was wide, and quiet, and peaceable. For they of Ham had dwelt there of old, and these written by name came in the days of Hezekiah king of Judah, and smote their tents, and the habitations that were found there, and destroyed them utterly unto this day, and dwelt in their rooms, because there was pasture there for their flocks. And some of them, even of the sons of Simeon, 500 men, went to Mount Seir, having for their captains Pelatiah, and Neariah, and Rephaiah, and Uzziel, the sons of Ishi. And they smote the rest of the Amalekites that were escaped, and dwelt there unto this day.